Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Tools folder, tap on it, and select Recorder app. Now click on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can also add a bookmark by clicking on this left one with a flag on it. And if you wish to end your recording and save it, click on this right button over here. Now name it however you wish to and click OK. After that, select this right button again to see list of all recordings. As you can see, mine is here. You can always delete it by holding it, then selecting delete icon at the bottom right corner and choosing OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!